Okay, welcome back. So we've got, 3 minutes to go as far as market closing is concerned. So I think we should start to wrap up things right here. I mean, lots of names in the broader space. And I just want to highlight the market, the breadth of the market, which has narrowed down quite a bit. 1,100 stocks on the NSE are higher and 1,069 stocks are lower. So this is not a, wildly one-sided advances to declines ratio. Far from it. So some amount of profit booking in the broader market also starting to creep in. So let me just take a look at what did very well. I'll start with the sectors, of course, which were led by the metal space, the Nifty metals index doing well, the FMCG index, which was the second best performing space, and the private bank space, which did quite well as well. In the Nifty, there were names like Tata Consumer, there was Titan, which stood out from the consumer space, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance doing well. And of course, we had Midesh pointing out IndusInd as a trade as well, closing at the day's high. Bharti, Britannia and Larsen were some of the other large cap gainers that we had with us today. All in all, I mean, a pretty good day, but broader markets is where there was a lot of action, a lot of two-way action, both up and down. Nigel.
Well, that's right. No two ways about it, Prashant. Today, the broader markets were relative underperformers. The advance decline ratio from way number of advances in comparison to declines, it almost ended pat. Even Stevens out there. Stocks that were losing out, Astral came in for some selling. Crompton Consumer as well was down in trade. First Source as well did see a bit of a knock, and Dalmia Bharat did put back a wee bit in today's trading session. PI Industries as well could be added to the list. A few more losers then to point out. Igarashi Motors had a good run, that pulled back today. Quick Heal as well did get a bit of a knockdown. And Uptown, it had a one-way run upwards. Now, in fact, it's seen a bit of a reversal. A few more names then from the winning basket. Trend did well, 4.5% higher. L&T Finance Holdings was spiking up. That, in fact, was up close to around 4%. You had SRF as well. That was part of the winning list, and that stock did pretty well. DCB Bank was the other one that did pretty well. A few more gainers. You had Gujarat Apollo. The stock was flying away in trade. Coffee Day, for some reason, some bit of speculation playing out there as well. That stock did well. Holding companies did well, actually. Tata Investments, you had Bajaj Holdings, as well as Maharashtra Scooters. All those stocks were flying away in today's trading sessions. And as we told you earlier, Ami Organics as well. That's the other stock that ended at the high point of the day. The last tick, in fact, was at the day's high. The details of the large trade that took place in the final couple of hours will be out later this evening. For the time being, though, we'll have to wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. You don't go anywhere. Commodity Champions comes up next.